Model, 66-plate Ford Transit 350L3 diesel rear-wheel drive 2.2 TDCi 125ps H3 van ULEZ compliant spare OR repairs. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 129943. MOT, the 11th of October 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 125ps TDCI-J. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner engine has been removed and is in the back of the van. Gearbox and clutch is in the back of the van. Look all good and tested. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 2 former keepers, part service history, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011997.